Hello, Facebook. It's Friday, right? I had no intentions on making a video today or this weekend, but because so many people was inquiring with me to help them with their credit, I even made videos that said, hey, I'm not going to, disclose the information or the book that I use. I think I made a video last Saturday about HIPAA laws and medical debt collections. And I said I was not. Now, let me tell you what this book does not help with. It does not help with your inquiry removals if you have inquiries that you want to remove. But every other step and process that I needed help with, whether with collection agencies or bill collectors, removing derogatory remarks off my credit report, this book helped with. So let me just show you all the things I highlighted. Pages folded, right? I think I got paper clips. So I'm not going to be before you long. If you can't tell, look, things paper clip, different letters, your law, everything you need, judgments, liens, bankruptcies. What else does this cover? The HIPAA laws, like I stated before you, if you have medical collections, there we go. That's the one I shared Saturday, right? Medical collections, how you dispute those, good credit lines quickly, if your debt to income ratio is not below 30%, how you can add those things quickly to your credit report. So I've shown you everything except the cover, right? I've showed you everything except the cover. So here we go. I'll disclose because there's so many people that's asking me for help that is more than what I can do alone, and I do want to help people. That's my whole motive. The website is www.credit, C-R-E-D-I-T is power. No, mycreditispower.com, right? www.mycreditispower.com. And this is the book. There you go. The key to success, right? Credit secrets. www.mycreditispower.com. M-I-ispower.com. This is the book. This will help you with everything except inquiry removal. And then if you need some additional help, I'm here. But I just couldn't service everybody, and I wanted people to genuinely be helped with their credit. Happy Friday to you. I'm signing off. I'm getting ready to watch Mississippi State women's game with my friends. And so, hey, you all have a blessed weekend. Like and share this video. And I think Facebook has changed it. I can't put the link in the title or the headline or the caption, right? I can't put the link in there, but I will put the link in the comment to make sure I'm right. mycreditispower.com. Hit like, hit share. Let's watch some March Madness basketball. I'm signing off. Miss Coach Deloach.